Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is the top code mistakes that you have been doing that is standing in between you and a beautiful Manny. So let's correct them one by one. So that was it for the short video today. I hope you liked it. I hope it will help you. Don't forget to comment down your feedbacks and tell me what else you want to know about nail art. Give me some more ideas so that I can make better videos for you all. I will see you next week. Till then, take care. Have a nice week. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I like the way I say the word channel. Okay, hit the subscribe button right now.